What's up, guys? Welcome to the video today. World 1 and World 1 both. Or both World 1 and World 2. But yeah, I'm gonna be completing World 1 or just World 1. I'm gonna be completing World 1 and World 2. Or else I'll just complete World 1. I'm gonna be trying to get P ranks with these. If I can't get P ranks, then I'll just get S ranks. Yeah, let's get started. It's plugged in. Well, this isn't my computer, but yeah, let's just do it. No, no, no. That was so close, bro. I lost multiple P ranks because of that. That one stupid Fortnite guy. Let's go! Yes! Bruh. Goofy ara noise. I wonder if the post transformation changes because of it. Let's find out. Anyways, now that I've finished, it's time for the next one. I must get an S rank on this one. I must. What the fuck? Great, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna have to complete every single level. So. Over here. I was supposed to parry you. And looks like not. Oh yeah, look at this baby. Oh, well, no, you were not about to lose my combo. You were literally not about to make me lose my combo. Ouch. No. Finding all the secrets is really hard in this one. Because I never aim for secrets. I just aim, I don't even aim for drum either. I heard that. No, no. No, please. S rank. What? It doesn't make sense. If he's going down from his head, then he should be sliding from his head. Yeah, this should be uppercuts. Anyways, now that I got that topping, to kill you. Now we have to go down and grab the enemy. Then we can finally just double jump over here and get it ready to bam. Alright. Might get an A rank on this. Who knows? No. You know exactly what you're almost supposed to go. I must be quick and sniff with it. Sniff. No. Must be quick. I must be sniff. I must be sniff. I must say sniff. I must get to the exit first. So I can make it out of here. Let's go. Yeah. Laugh, bro. With zero simultaneous, that's a movie. Oh my, oh my. The mighty cost of the witch and garden is this wicked. I super jump. Well, this is much is, but no, it's not. Wait, why did I think? Trying to find a way to spaghetti meatballs. Anyway, I only found one secret. I think that's the only secret I can afford right now. Die! What do you mean stop? He's like, no, stop, please, I'm bringing you. Oh, you're the one who puts his stick up with that dumb buffoon. What's your face? Lap 2, I'm doing lap 2, I gotta do lap 2. Get me in here! Lap 2. Where do I even go? I don't even have the night transformation. What? It's goofy. I thought the night transformation is goofy. I gotta make it to this period, bro. I really need to see secrets. Oh shoot. Oh, we can't go that way. I think I'm gonna get an A ring. I must not dare get an A ring. A ring is called failing class. I don't care if you come up. Look, I should not get the A. Oh heck no, please. No! Excuse me. That's it. Well, I'm gonna go with the peppermint. Peppermint strikes. There's always strikes, and there's always strikes. Strikes and yells always tried. Because you already know that peppermint because always strikes and will never ever be defeated. But that's a lie. That is a cap. I must defeat peppermint against this. That's right. Alright, it's time for this stupid level again. Oh, is that a topping? Am I going to collect it or am I going to pass? I'd rather pass on it because I know that the last topping has always saved me to the calculation of the coordinates Y29278421 and the coordinates of the Y29278121. This will give me to another corner 712197781 and that corner is going to give me to the 929278421. Stop hitting me, you dumb idiot! Or else I'll turn you into a buffalo. You think you can get past them? The mighty noises without me taunting past all of you? You stupid brats. Especially morons. What the hell? That was so close, bro. Come on. That was a quick and easy solution. So no one knows what am I hiding next. What may I do next? today's episode, Mayor's Mayhem. This is not Mayor's Mayhem, anyways. Just beat this game. Die! 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 Why don't you die? Die! That's so hard. Anyways, time to go down the slope. No, no, do not do that. That's not nice. Now look what you did. You made me lose my combo, you dumb idiot. Dumb buffoon. Ding dong. I didn't even touch you, bro. Ding dongs. Let's go! Another topic. Wait, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Wait, no, I'm coming to... I'm coming for ya. No, I need to go to... I was going the wrong way. I'm going the wrong way. No. What am I doing? What am I doing? How the heck did I get up in here, bro? Noise. What the heck? No explanation of getting past it. Oh, is there something here? Yes! You think I'm stealing today? No, I am not missing secrets today, buddy. I have broken, no, you have broken my trust. So I have gotten inside and, has broken a double jump my leads, my lines. Come on, are you kidding me? Oh yeah, eagle down here, double jump. Here, double jump. About that. Down. Holy moly, holy moly. Yes, go. God, no! Are you kidding me? Don't tell me to go back down here again. No! Bruh. Yeah, my dog. It's my dog. It's just my baby dog. Bruh. Anyways. I think the dog was having a seizure. She was moving intensely. That's why I was trying to wake her up. No! Whoa! Here we go! Let's go! This song is quite an amazing music. Ooh, hee, hee, ha, Ow! I can't do that. What is this? Pod. You only 50 feet. Pod. You're big enough to have it. Stupid buffoon. No, Chanel. Is my phone ringing? Wait. No, wait, no one's calling. No one's calling. Alright. Alright, I'm back. Now, I forgot. No, stop. Okay, stop. I know I haven't had Jerome collect anything. I'm gonna get an S rank, and I don't have the first topic in the game. But that doesn't mean for you to argue with me, okay? That doesn't mean for you to argue with me, controls. I know exactly what to do. I now know exactly where all the secrets is. Shoot. Jerome! Jerome! No. Jerome! I must get to that Jerome. Let's go. Spice. Spice! Let's go! Last secret in this level. Last secret in this level. Last secret in this level. Hit me, stupid idiot! Get kicked. Heck. Are you kidding me? How am I supposed to pass all of that nonsense? Maybe. Oh shoot! No! This guy's already getting so much pain, bro. Ow! No! Damn! Lord, say that you can move your hair without without moving it. Oh my god, my dog's doing the weird stuff again. Like moving her lips while she's sleeping. Guys, we got one more lap still. One more lap. Let's go. We're almost there to the S rank. What's there more to waste than getting my perfect X rank? Come on, when do I get the S rank? I was so close, bro. Oh man, I didn't get an S rank. Are you kidding me? No, it's that. Hugs and kisses. You're welcome. Ah! No. Always that's a good character. Not gonna lie, I think you're pretty much stupid for a big skinny boy. Ace, I'm gonna die. I hit him with the bomb. Oh yeah. Whee! Come here. You hold me. I think it's over. Die. Because you move so fast, and you'll turn tiny by the time I snap a lick apple you in the neck. You really think you're gonna snap a lick apples? Yeah. Oh heck no! I'm gonna get an A rank. Oh no! Now I have to jump up with you. You're gonna die today. You're gonna die today. I had enough of you. I had enough. Enough of you. One more time. One more time. Really thought I would ice this. This is ugly pepper, bro. That pepper mad ugly in real life. That's why people call you the ugly pepper. Ugly piece of ugly. You ugly. You don't even have a nose. That's why people call you ugly. Ugly. Ugly flugly boy. Ugly flugly boy. Ugly flugly. Ugly flugly. Ah, no, you're about to hit me, you dumb bamboo. No! Ah! Listen, buddy. Bye, buddy. I don't know what's the buddy. Why are you killing my bombs, you dumb idiot? Why are you killing my bombs? You dumb buffoon. You killed my bombs. I kill you. Dumb buffoon. Die. I need to win the game. A-rank. The A-rank used to be giving me an A-rank. Now, an A-rank is not what I proposed to. That's unacceptable! Let's go! Am I really gonna collect that? Okay. Get. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you want that? Yeah, later. Bro, my dog trying to escape, bro. Yeah, she's laying down right next to me. Alright, now I'm gonna do this level. But my stomach is growling, I ain't anything yet. I'm almost done with World 1. And this video is gonna be over after I complete the second level. Now I don't think I'll be doing, because then my video is gonna be like almost an hour. Playing like an hour. I don't think you guys want me to play for like a whole hour. Or do you want me to? Wait, so then I don't have to, you know, freaking do this level then! Anyways, my dog tried to escape again. She now jumped off and she's running away. She's running away. I don't even know where she went. She went to go lick some dogs. Anyways, back to my level. Ah! Holy moly. Holy smokes. Haha, you can't kill me. Touch the rat. Why can't you just kill the rat? Bomb at the rat. No, you're dumb. Yeah, that's some basics I can't explain. Where the heck is my first topping at? Bruh. I even got the freaking Jerome without the first topping. Like, go away! Oh, just shoot this. It's not even the second topping. Second topping. I was afraid it would be the third. Let's go! It's done. I feel like they were just their own, but it's gonna be really hard to find. Like, the bomb doesn't even explode, bro. No, you're putting yourself in danger. You stupid, long the arm boy. Anyways. No, look. You, open that. And I'll stop calling you fat boy. Thank you, skinny boy. Anyways. Let's go. Ew, cheese. You're welcome. I'm not eating that cheese. That cheese is nasty. I hate cheese, bro. I hate cheese. Nasty. Oh. I was yawning. The fact that they actually used the sprite for getting hit with a bowling ball in the game, I never thought they would use it, but instead of getting hit with the bowling ball, they get hit with a noise block. Come on! Let's go. I have yacht. I got that Riz. I got that Riz. I got that W. Got this. Got that W. You know that. Ha ha! Anyways, it's time to get up, like I said, and out and alive. There's no way I'm doing this second lap without my Jerome. I can't do a second lap without the treasure. Without the treasure, I'll be completely useless. Why am I being really slow this time? No, you do not do that. Okay, you dumb up. Try to again. I guess Jerome, you're escaping with me too. Jerome, yeah, he's with us. Did you know all the noise comments starts with the? Did you know all the noise comments starts with the letter? Anyway, guys, I gotta see you later. So guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.